Hello everyone, this is the cabbage I grew at home. I'm not a vegetable farmer and I'm not trying to save money. Eat with confidence. It's just feeling like the food you grow. If you have the same idea as me, then keep reading. Vaccine first. However, for Cabbage, it is optional. After all, he has a great ability to reproduce and grow. This is a basket for growing vegetables. Punch a few holes in the bottom. Thread it with string. It saves more space to hang up this way. Fill in with ordinary planting soil and base fertilizer. Seven days later, the seeds germinated. And transplant them carefully into the basket. Two in one basket. Talking too much. Then water. And after 15 days, he was very tall. After 40 days, the leaves are bigger and darker. After 55 days. I see the white jade inside. Cut off excess leaves. Another 15 days passed. Ready to pick. Harvest so many vegetables in just 4 baskets. And it's all fresh. Don't you want to try it? If there is anything you want to say, welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Thanks for watching. See you next time.